Hi everybody, how's it going? Today I want to show you a few estimates and we're gonna see what I'm getting every single day. So let's take a quick look at my status. First one, HDD data recovery. There is no description. No description, so we don't know what I'm gonna get. Rosewood. Nice. Rosewood drive. 500 gigabyte Rosewood drive. And let's see. So first what we have to do here, it's don't forget switch the cameras. Not again. Okay, mic is on. Okay, we have almost everything. Yeah, so first what we're gonna do, we're gonna plug into our SATA port and the terminal. So first what we have to check here in our utility is, this is alt thing. So first what we have to do, we have to check on which port our port 2, SATA port 2 works, with which serial port. It's a COM3, so we have COM3 here. Okay, and now we're gonna go to our Seagate F3 utility. So how to recognize which utility you should use? If we're gonna have dot in the firmware, it means it's an old one. It's U5, this one. If we not have a dot in our firmware, it's F3. Of course this is Rosewood, so this is F3. Okay, let's power it on. Okay. Let's read the ID. And guess what? What do we need to do here? First, what we need to do, this is that what I showed you on our first video on the channel. So we have to patch the RAM. We're gonna do it quickly. Of course, the copy of the RAM, it's gonna be saved on our hard drive.
I know you don't have all day to listen to this guy, so I decide to mute him and speed things up a bit.
Okay, right now we can restart the utility. Like I said, I should stop saying actually all the fucking time. It's not good. Come on. Okay, first maybe I'm gonna yeah, okay. So you can see I have the 5348 with second copy. I didn't have it on the first one. We're gonna check again. 348 is MCM, right? It's a table. Very clear issue. Let's see if we can get it quicker. But I'd like to show you that. Okay, come on, you piece of rosewood. Okay, let's start again. Oh, what was this? Okay, much better now. Do we have access to the 3 Of course we don't. Okay. Let's check now. Yeah. Okay, let's check copy 1 then. Copy 1. Yeah, so I can see I can read from copy 1 and copy 0. Probably is the issue. I'm gonna open the drive. That's actually good. I can read through the 8 file. But you can see after I restarted the whole utility drive start, acting a little bit different. So when you have it, you have to, of course, save it. 3 copy 1. Okay, now let's do the backup from. We already have the modules. Let's do copy 1 since there was some issues on copy 0. And let's check. Oh, the file didn't matter. Okay. Yeah, we need this one as well. Okay, so at least one head is fine. Let's quickly do the head test. It says all of these are fine. But let's check the. Okay, you have better access now. But not to the whole drive. Okay. Yeah. Where is it? Okay. Hey, that looks fine well. Now I was able to read the file. Okay. Let's check one more. Yeah, but you can see there's a lot of issues with the drive. I believe we were able to read some system files. So, yeah, so the drive is very definitely smart and smart. The MCMT tables they look fine. Just I can difference between those two copies and so definitely issue with MCMT, but we're gonna see there's a lot of relocations. So what's the idea right now? Read the file 93. Let's stop the relocations, block the drive for writing, and yeah, and stop saying So estimate is ready. I can turn off the drive and put everything in the notes. So it was a quick one. Let's do another drive. WD passport, something like that. External HDD that turns on and display files but will stop copying files to another drive a few seconds after copying begins. Okay, let's see what we can do here. So like you can see here, this is SMR drive, Spyglass 1. With those drives we need to work with unlocked board to fix the firmware issues, or we have to swap it to the SATA ports. Actually for this one I'm gonna get a really nice adapters probably tomorrow, because I don't like to have everything like with those Chinese PCBs. So actually for this one I have only one screw where I can screw the board into the drive and work like that with the wires. Here actually I'm gonna do a swap. So we don't want the wrong before. We're gonna look here. Flux. Oh, whoa, why is this one? Maybe this one. Yeah. So you look over the ECO for this. We're gonna be this, but probably there's ECO, so we're gonna do it. But quickly this enough. Remember this is your first step here. So Now we're on the site. We go here, and yeah, so we can see this one is something like half the mark, it's going to be because one, the word is the mark, the wrong mark, so we can put it on our 16. I like to screw all the screws because a few months ago it told me, so yeah. We'll go first here, use terminal. Since this is the SMR drive, right now Dr. Chris is coming here and gonna listen the drive. The SMR drives, they are super quiet, so that's why I'm using stethoscope right now, because I'd like to hear every single click. We're gonna separate the heads and block the service area access.
I blocked module 02, made a copy of the most important modules, and found the cause of the failure described by the customer. It turned out to be the second translator issue. More about second translator coming soon, only on the Lewis Rossmann channel. Here we have a perfect example of why drives should not be opened in home conditions. Deep damage of the platter surface and fingerprints. This is the last drive for today. Seagate FireCUDA 1 terabyte. As you can see, everything is fine with this drive. This is a logical failure, so RStudio will fix the problem. That's it for today. I hope you learned something, and don't forget, don't delay, send me your hard drive today. Take care, guys.